For exclusive content, visit my Patreon.
Okay, boys, here's the plan. We're gonna drive my truck straight into that there bank building. Smash! We'll box up the cash and take it to our secret hideout.
Hi, sweetie. Sure thing, boss man.
Boss man, what if the truck doesn't...
Okay, discussion time's over. Let's go!
Don't you mean Lego?
Money, 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 money! Oh, dangnabbit.
Why were you speeding?
Watch your mouth!
So, here's your ticket, and basically what it says is send all the money you have for food, water, shelter, happiness to the address at the bottom of the ticket, and you won't be sent to jail. Have a very happy day. Oh, and drive safe.
Money, money, money!
There's the bank!
Everybody hold on. It's time.
Ew, truck smash. This'll never work.
We must believe.
Brace for impact! What kind of witchcraft is this?
It's called a safe.
Well, crap, this is solid steel metal.
Maybe this'll help.
Duck for cover!
Ouch.
Well, boy, let's take a look. We're gonna be so... Dangnabbit.
I told you.
Oh, shut up. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for weekly uploads, brick films, Lego builds, and who knows what else.
And a super special thank you to our patrons for making this video possible.
On to the next one. Peace out.